Hey guys, Swiggy is giving coupon for everyone. Do check out. You'll get 125 off on minimum order 199 rupees. To activate the coupon, you got to click on the link as shown in the picture. I'll provide this link also in the description box. You go check it out. Once you click, this kind of screen appears before you and you will be navigated to Swiggy app, and here comes the coupon for you. The coupon code is SWIPLCRED. So applying this coupon, you'll get 125 off on order value 199 rupees. Please make sure once you click on the link and activate the coupon or the offer, this expires within 57 days and you got to place the order within that prescribed time of 57 days, otherwise it expires. Now click on order now. After you click, you will see Swiggy food here. You have all kind of categories of food: biryani, ice creams, burger, samosa, etc. as shown in the picture. But particularly if you want any food item, you can give in the search bar as shown in the picture, and you can go for sort by, and according to your relevance as shown in the picture, have chose here low to high. Here have got biryani for just 135 rupees. Click on add. Once you click on that, customize your taste. Click on add item. You add more to the cart to make the order value 199 rupees. After adding to the cart, go to view cart. Once you go there, you will see here the items being added to the cart. You can scroll down and go to view more coupons. Click on that and you have got here SWIPLCRED coupon that has been activated by us before, right? Otherwise, you can go for welcome back 125 coupon also if you have got. But here I'm applying SWIPLCRED coupon. By clicking on apply, that's it, done. Your coupon will be applied and you will get flat 125 off on your order value 199 rupees as shown in the picture. Now click on A, then click on slide to pay, or otherwise you can change the mode of payment if you want, and place your order. That's it, done. So do enjoy your food on Swiggy. If you like this video, share, subscribe to Flying Skies One. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Thank you.